Hello, thank you for having me here today. I want to talk to you about. Everybody here knows me, right? I need to say it. I'm Nelson. There, okay. I'm here to talk about what the police can do for you. Eunice asked me to talk here just because a lot of you have been here a long time, but you haven't really interacted with the police.
想要甲大家讲一寡安怎甲警察互动的代志，你可能真侪人来遮拢一段时间可能也毋知安怎甲警察互动较好势Eunice想我来遮甲大家分享。
If you raise your hand, how many people have had an interaction with the police?
咱举手看有几个人捌甲警察打过交道。
Okay, and how many of you would? Well, okay. That leads to my next question is how many of you consider the interaction a positive one?
恁其中偌侪人感觉到你甲这个警察的互动是一个真正面的经验。
How many negative?
偌侪讲就是负面的。
What happened?
Can't
help you. That's the most common one, and I'll talk about that. Yeah, so hopefully after today, you will have a better understanding of what my job is as a police officer and how we can help you and your community.
你问讲今仔日我甲大家分享了，你会当了解讲我做一个警察，我的职责是啥物货，你会当知我会当为恁做啥物货。
So I've been a police officer for Los Angeles for 26 and a half years.
我去洛杉矶的警察局已经做警察做26年。
In LAPD, everybody starts in the police academy.
伫洛杉矶警察局内底，每一个警察拢是对警察学校开始的。
The academy is 6 months long, and it teaches us the law, tactics, shooting, and physical fitness.
这警察学校教阮一寡关系法律的，也是关系一寡技术性的物件，也是射击，也是一寡这个安怎样保持身体勇健的方法。
And then after graduation, police officers are assigned to a division somewhere in the city for 1 year.
警察学校毕业了，阮就互人分配去这个市内一寡 division 内底去遐服侍1年。
As that 1 year, we consider probationary, where we're learning the job and we can be, they're constant. Probationary officers are constantly being evaluated, and it's very easy to be fired if they don't learn the job.
伫迄一当的中间，阮是算讲了，敢若咧见习的阶段吼。伫迄个中间，阮常常咧互人爱来甲阮 review， 看阮做了对啊毋对，所以尽量伊若做了无好，就会互人 fire 掉去。
As a new officer, we were assigned a training officer, a senior officer who's been around a while, who can show us, what we learn in the academy. Everything is black and white. It's like this, words. But applying the words into real world can be 2 different things, or subject to a lot of interpretation.
阮做一个新的警察吼。阮拢每一个人拢会有一个训练的较资深的警察来做阮的训练员吼。因阮伫学校内底所学习的是真正敢若白纸黑字即款的教导尔。出来到外口是真正世界真侪代志，拢需要你对这个有你家己的诠释，这法律啊或做法啊，或有家己的诠释。所以这资深的警察会来帮助阮。
Yeah, in the academy, I know I'm not going to get hurt as far as I'm going to interact with somebody. We're role playing and we're learning in a sterile environment how to be police officers, which is different from the real world.
警察学校内底，阮一切拢真安全啦吼。阮会有角色的扮演，但是阮知影讲伫遮活动中间，阮拢袂着伤。但是出来到外口的世界就无共款。
So again, after graduation, we're out in the field, and now things are very real. You know, what I do as a police officer, what police officers do, can change people's lives forever, for real.
所以，佫一届阮离开了学校了，外口这完全无共款的世界吼。阮所做有当时啊，嘛会互人着伤吼，所以对人的影响真大的。
We can cause people to lose their freedom, lose their families, lose their possessions by arresting them and sending them to jail.
阮若将人逮捕或是甲送去监内底吼，阮会当互因全失去因的自由，失去因的家庭吼，也是讲失去因所拥有的一切财产吼。
And we can hurt them physically, even to the point of taking their lives.
阮有当时甚至嘛会当真正伫因身体上甲因伤害，就甚至互因甲因拍死啊，有定着吼。
Our basic mission as police officers is to, one, protect lives, protect property, and keep the peace.
阮的工作上主要的三个使命，一个就是保护性命，一个就是保护财产，第三个就是维持这个和平，吼，或者安全吼。
When a police officer is called to a situation, we listen to all the parties involved and decide what the correct action is according to the law.
当一个警察出去到一个状况的内底时，阮需要来听各方面的人的想法吼，然后根据法律安怎规定来做一个上正确的处理。
And we'll try to resolve the problems with the minimum amount of intervention.
阮的原则是去处理这个问题时阵，将阮爱参与的干涉的程度降到上低的程度。
If an arrest has to be made, then that will be the last resort.
阮若是有需要甲人逮捕，迄通常是上尾无法度的办法啦吼。
So if you think about it, what situations would most people come into contact with the police?
咱来想看讲，有啥物款的情景，人会需要甲警察来互动？
Again, traffic stops,
比如讲，开车去互警察挡落来。
business disputes, neighbor disputes. You have a fight with your neighbor, or the music's too loud.
有当时啊，咱甲咱厝边的有一寡争执吼，比如讲隔壁的音乐伤过大声、伤吵是安怎吼？
Or if you see a crime being committed, or if unfortunately you are a victim of a crime.
也是讲你看到有啥物犯罪的情形在咧进行，也是你家己本身就是一个犯罪的这个受害者吼。
Most police departments now have Chinese-speaking police officers, but of course the problem is that they may not always be available, especially when it's your time to need them.
其实大部分的警察局拢有这个会当提供中文翻译的这款服务啦吼。当然问题是有当时伊无拄好是 available 互你来用吼，这个时间 timing 的问题吼。
Most everybody's here been here a long time, and even though you may not be confident in your English, just speaking a few words really does help. If you give us a try, sometimes I'm working somewhere and they ask me if I speak Chinese, and I'll try a few words, and they're just so happy. It's the same way with us. Try your English, and that helps too.
咱大部分人来遮拢有一段时间啊吼，是讲你可能对用英语甲人交流毋是真有自信吼，但是你试看卖咧用你想得到上好的迄个来甲人沟通吼，伊嘛真欢喜。像我有当时人会要求我讲中文，我是其实无啥晓讲，但是我讲几句话，对方嘛真欢喜，共款的情形吼。
But the best solution would be to ask, if you are in need of a police officer, ask for a Chinese-speaking police officer. That way, we don't have to guess.
咱上好的情形就是，当你有需要警察的时阵吼，你要求一个中文的翻译，因为伫迄个中间咱无需要互相伫遐叫看对方是咧讲啥物话安尼，大家拢真清楚上好。
I think most everybody has a smartphone, so there are also translation apps. So police officers, some of them are a little more understanding, or especially the younger ones, they know how to use it, so they're not afraid of it. And how many actually have a smartphone and use a translation app?
咱偌济人你有你个智慧型手机面顶有翻译的迄款 app， 你会晓用咧？
So it's good. So it's something to think about, especially those without the cell phone.
这嘛是共款吼，迄嘛是一个工具，你会当用啦吼。虽然警察无拄多，大家人拢对用迄个智慧型手机，用迄个关键个 app 真 comfortable 啦吼。但是迄嘛是一个 option 吼。
So let me talk about the traffic violations or traffic stops. And
我来讲一个，这个你若驶车去互人咱就动落来，就警察甲你动落来。
yeah. First of all, the police officers behind you can see the lights, you hear the siren. First thing you should always do is safely pull over to the right.
当你咧驶车，你看到你后壁有警察车的车顶伫遐咧闪啊，还是讲有迄个声音，迄个警铃的声伫遐。啊，第一项你要做就是自己安全的情形之下，将你的车驶来路边停来正面的路边停来。
I drive with my lights and sirens on a lot because because I work SWAT and I go to emergency, and a lot of times people just stop right in the middle of the street, right, and I'm like, yeah. So nothing frustrates us more. It's like, please move over. But
我是这个霹雳小组的成员然后所以我常常爱为着这紧急的情形，爱驶车，爱亮警灯，爱迄个响警铃吼。啊，真侪人伫遐看着吼，啊因无驶去边仔去，阵等我传就咱停落来，是讲无啥物代志，比互警察更较 frustrate， 就是伊想要伊真需要真紧要去别个所在，啊你甲挡伊头前，互伊袂惊。
So, pull up to the right, put your car in park, turn off the radio, go down your window, keep your hands on the steering wheel, and then just wait for the police officer.
所以头一项爱做，你若动来吼，你甲车停喺路边了吼，啊，你甲你的车迄个机啊拍落去停车的迄个所在 park 的所在吼，啊，你甲你车内来就甲禁起来，啊，迄个窗门甲放落来吼，啊，你就在那等警察来，要甲你讲啥吼。
Listen as best you can to what the police officer is saying. You might have committed a violation, or maybe there's something wrong with your car. He's just trying to help you out.
你注意听警察在甲你讲啥吼？有当时是因为你个人驶车有犯着什么交通法规啦，有当时是因为你车有什么问题，伊伫遐看着，伊甲你走来，就甲你讲你车有问题吼。
Yeah. But if you know you made a mistake, you can just say, "I'm sorry," and may I please have a warning. But if he still gives you a ticket, then there's not much you can do. It's accept it. But try not to argue. And the place to find it, if you believe you were right, is to go to court. Yeah.
所以你若知影你家己犯着什么错误吼，你就甲警察讲 I'm sorry 吼，啊，你会使甲托讲我敢会使提一个警告或 warning 吼，啊，伊若要互你就互你，啊，伊若要求我要互你一张单吼，你就甲收起来，唔通甲伊 argue 吼。你若搞着一张单对你无公平吼，你就去迄个交通法庭去讲。
So that's traffic stops, but let's talk about criminals that target the elderly.
迄是你驶车去人撞落来吼，咱即摆来讲一寡有一寡歹人针对即个较年老的人吼，即款迄种犯罪的情形吼。
We as Christians and good human beings, we always try to help our fellow citizens and other fellow human beings, and that's what the criminals will exploit.
咱一般人，咱拢会想讲要去帮助别人吼，帮助咱迄个同伴或是其他的人吼。但是正是即款想要帮助人心理，就是这歹人伊想要来利用心理的吼。
Best advice, really, you always have to be aware of your surroundings and be on guard.
无论你去啥物所在，你要注意你四周围咧发生的代志，你的环境吼，爱保持警醒吼，保持警醒。
Yeah. Always keep track of your possessions. Keep your purse next to you on your body, and not when you're shopping, don't put your purse in the shopping cart. Turn away for a second, turn back, it's gone, or your purse is gone. You may not even notice.
所以你家己的迄个你有的物件啦吼，你就摕咧身躯里吼。你若出去 shopping 的时阵吼，你的包包你就家己拍咧，放伫家己身躯，唔通放咧你塞车迄个 shopping cart 咧车顶遐。你若无说换一个头咧，迄物件都无去啊吼。
And if you're in a situation and you think someone is suspicious and he's like right next to you, you think he may be targeting you, just walk away, remove yourself from him. get as far away from that person as possible.
你若讲着你身躯边有啥物可疑的人，伊譬如讲伊行来你的身躯边遐吼，你不舒服吼，你就行离开伊个所在吼，咱当要搁继续遐。
They may try to distract you. Well, they'll work in pairs or threes or fours, and one person will talk to you or bump into you, and someone else will take your property.
因为当时毋是一个人，也是两个人、三个人，甚至四个人。其中一个可能来甲你讲话，也是敢若叫做无小心甲你弄掉，啥物啊？另外一个人用迄个时间就甲你物件摕去了吼。
If you're shopping, and whether it's in a market and you have a cart, or you're shopping in a department store and you feel uncomfortable, just put your items down and walk away with your purse. Go to the front where everybody is, where all the cameras.
你若记个，譬如讲你去买内底，也是去外口买物件所在，你有物件甲你迄个，你敢就有人。咧对你，也是你讲着你家己有危险时阵，物件可能你家己包包摕来行去门口迄个所在，人济所在，遐嘛较济只个卡梅拉，遐翕相的物件伫遐，你伫遐较安全。
And last resort, call 911. And if it turns out to be nothing, then at least we'll know. And it doesn't really bother us.
若真正无法度，你就敲911吼。迄若无代志就无代志啦。那有代志上少警察拢会知影吼，对警察来讲，这是伊应该做的，是袂会搞点麻烦了先咯。
Okay, police officers have a sensitive spot for children and older people because most of us have kids, but we all have parents, and we all want the best for them.
警察特别对年老的甲囡仔特别较忍心啦吼，因为因大部分人拢有囡仔，像是大人拢有家父母，拢有是大人吼，所以对伊拢特别好啦。
So another situation, if you're at home, knocking on a door, that's a big thing now. Strangers at the door.
即马伊厝里有身份人来甲你弄门，即马嘛是一个真大的问题吼。
Obviously use your people. If you're lucky enough to know how to use that ring thing with the surveillance camera, get one of those.
你若会当，你去摕一个迄个监视迄款的迄个卡梅拉，是迄款的系统来保护家己。
When I'm at home, I don't open it, even for me. If I don't recognize someone, I don't open the door. I'll talk through the door.
就算我家厝里有人来弄门，我若无熟悉，我嘛袂甲开门啦。我会去门内底甲伊讲话吼，知伊要创啥了，再来决定啦。
Yeah, they'll try to disguise themselves as city workers, electrical, PWP people, water power, and they're trying to get you to open the door. So if you don't want to open the door, you don't recognize them, call the police.
因为特别叫你开门，因为当时假做是市政府的人啦，还是水电公司的员工啦吼。你若无讲着，你若讲着不舒服吼，你就莫开门，你就敲电话叫警察。
Yeah. I was working one day helping with detective surveillance, and they had the bad guy, and the way he would try to get people to open the door, he would knock on the door and said he was working on the property next door, and he wanted to see like the fence, so he wanted to come over and look at the fence on your side.
我捌做一个 case 吼，迄个歹人吼。伊就是来迄个收人家的厝的门，甲弄门。伊讲伊家己是迄落咧修理厝的啦吼。即摆咧修理隔壁迄间厝的迄个围墙啦。所以想要过来恁遮看看，迄个围墙修理了安怎安尼啦吼。
Yeah. Again, they work in two, at least two. One person distract you, knock on the door, walk you out to the back. Somebody else would come in and steal your property.
所以因迄个迄个是一间两个人吼，一个来弄迄个甲你讲看，你甲开门了，你出来去后壁条看迄个围墙的时阵，另外一个就锁起来，出来这物件就来摕去啊。
So someone at the door, just say no. I'm not interested. I don't want it. Please leave.
你若有人伫门口，你袂不舒服，你就讲我无趣味，我无爱，请你离开安尼。
Now someone knocks on our door, pounding on the door, and say, "Help me, help me, help me." Our natural reaction is to help, but even then you have to be careful. So.
有人若伫恁兜门口甲你敲门，甲你讲，请你帮助我救我吼。咱的本能就是讲要甲伊帮助甲开门吼，但是事实上你嘛是爱真小心吼。
If you don't want to open the door, tell the person outside, "I will call 911 for you." But don't open the door. That's up to you.
你若真正不舒服吼，你就甲讲，我再替你敲911啦吼。 可以做帮站，但是你卖。
Also, depending on where you live, try to find out where the closest police station is. So instead of calling 911, you can call directly to that station. But again, depending on where you live, sometimes that station may not be staffed 24 hours.
另外一项你会当做的代志就是找出恁附近离你上近的警察局是啥物货，去找因的电话号码。你无需要敲911，你会使敲迄个上近的迄个警察局的电话不过有一个问题就是，迄款的机构有当时毋是24点钟拢有人伫咧。
I've called 911 and put me on hold. So finally, it is an inside line for me, so I can call and say I'm off-duty police officer. That gets me through, but unfortunately, you don't have that luxury. So.
我若敲911有当时嘛甲普通号就叫我去等就是我是警察，我有一个人来线，我会使你敲，我会使甲讲我是无咧执勤的警察，我就会这样敲去不过迄是我才有的，你就无所以你若是人另外是敲911，还是附近的警察局敲好。
Yeah. So, police officers, we're there for you. We should be there for you, and we should try to do everything that we can for you.
警察本来就应该，伫咱需要伊的时阵，伊会当伫遐来帮助咱因为应该爱一年是所会当做的来帮助咱。
Some police officers are better than others, and some care more than others.
有的警察比其他的较好，有的警察比别的警察更较有疼心
Yeah, some have better understanding of the law. Some have more compassion, and some, however, can be bad and leave you feeling like you were treated rudely or in a negative way.
有的警察对法律伊较知影，有的警察较有疼心，有的警察可能较歹，也是互你感觉伊对你就粗鲁、就无礼貌
And if you want to make a complaint against an officer for not doing his duty in a professional manner, it is your right to make a complaint.
你若是感觉有警察，伊款待你的方式，你感觉无专业的这款的款式迄是你的权利，你会使去甲投诉
You can ask to speak to a supervisor right away, or you can wait and you can do it the next day or any time after that.
你会使伫迄个时阵就甲讲，我要甲你的supervisor讲话，是迄是你的权利，所以你会使靠换另外一时间再去答投诉嘛是会使。
Yeah. Most uniformed police officers have body cameras now.
大部分的制服的警察身躯顶拢有迄款的迄个照相机啦，迄个 camera
Yeah. Those of you that live and are served by the sheriffs, LA County sheriffs, they don't have body cameras yet.
你若是住伫迄个洛杉矶县的迄 sheriff department 你咧服务的所在，伊身躯顶就无迄个 body camera
The camera protects me and it protects you in situations where it's you said versus what I said. But it can help resolve the complaint. And it could have been just a misunderstanding between you and the officer.
body camera 有真好的功用啦伊会当保护你，会当保护我，伊会当将事实上迄阵发生的代志重现出来就毋是干那讲你讲的话，甲我讲的话两个对一安尼尔一个客观的记录伫遐。
And for me, some days I have bad days too. Okay, and I know I haven't given the best service, and I feel bad, afterwards. But I just try to think about it and refocus and get back on track and remember why I became a police officer.
伫我的服务的这时间的中间，我嘛有好日嘛有歹日有当时我嘛袂当提供我是上好的即款服务互民众但是我拢会事后搁家己反省，搁想看觅咧，想看我当初是安怎出来做警察搁对迄个起初的行来开始来做伊个工作。
I would say 99% of my, everybody that becomes police officers is to help people.
99%以上的警察其实愿意做警察，拢是为了来帮助人。
So that's basically it. I can answer more questions if you have it.
所以我想要甲大家分享的就是这啦那大家有其他的问题，我是欢迎甲大家来分享讨论
那后头呢，来完成还有北京事件。 地图直接很大的
If
给印。
if you call 911, how soon can we expect the police to be arrived?
It really depends on how busy it is, what time of day you call, and how many police officers are working. And it also depends on the seriousness of the crime. If it's a very serious crime, then that gets priority, and the police officers will go there first. But as time, I can't tell you 30 seconds.
所以刚才反映，你听我跟你讲啦吼，你就看你卡的时间吼，是讲迄是迄讲什么时间，偌济警察你迄讲咧执勤吼，嘛看你所报的迄个犯罪案吼，严重性是偌严重啦吼，愈严重的当然伊会愈早甲你处理吼。
这讲主，当然讲有的人加做什么啊，有的嘛加做 police 来讲，做其实啊，伊主要就是，你若看到 police 唔了，讲我是你要是爱甲 ask 你迄个判决是什么？
She was asking, you know how some would disguise as policemen too, right?
Mhm.
So when it appears to be a policeman, usually we don't suspect that much, but what would you suggest that we should check?
You can always ask for a police ID, okay? But even then, with technology and the printers, it's not very hard at all. You may have the badge, but if you're not comfortable with that, then every police officer is supposed to have a police ID. Okay, but like I said, sometimes even yes. Yeah. If say a police officer is trying to stop you and you see the red lights and you're not sure, then drive over, instead of stopping in a dark place, drive to the nearest gas station. Nothing's going to happen to you. You say, look, I just feel more comfortable stopping at a lit place, rather than off the freeway or someplace dark.
咱会使甲透过 ID 啦吼，伊佫加一项就是讲，你若去弄你去警察甲你挡落来，迄个所在真暗，你无感觉到你安全保障吼，你会使去一个较光的所在吼，譬如讲加油站，吼，去加油站所在，你甲讲伊拄仔个所在伤暗咯，无看过无，我一定要去较光的所在，安尼，遐嘛较有camera遐，你安全较保障。
我们常常接到那个电话，就说你的业绩都叫肇事报，现在有警察到你们家去找你，而且连续很多天，每一天都来，连续5天。
所以这边有问题是。
诈骗电话边啊。
She said that she received phone calls like telling her that they have taxes owed you or unpaid, and the police is coming to arrest them, and they get that all the time. What should they do with that kind of phone calls?
Those type of phone calls, first of all, if you know they're fake, you do the call blocking. Afterwards, just hang up or say, give me a number, I'll call you back. They'll never give you a number. But after that, just call block it, on your cell phone. And at home, there's also do not call registries, but that's a tough one. If it sounds too weird, then there's something wrong. If it sounds too good, there's something wrong.
你会使打电话公司，甲迄个号码甲 block 起来啦。你知影迄毋是真诶，所以你会使打迄个电话公司叫伊甲迄个电话号码 block 起来。是你会使甲讲，你留一个电话号码互我迄个接过你联络安尼吼。普通时你拢袂有你电话号码。
I know that no one will ever call you. You should get something in the mail, but even then, that could be a scam too. So you just have to, if you're not sure, just come ask. I'm always usually here.
其他迄个吼，就是种诈骗电话，因为老电话号码，
Okay, yeah. If you're not sure, that's also to see if they get a response from you. Okay, but then again, come talk to me about it. We'll call together and we can figure it out. But never suddenly.
第一是讲，你莫直接去回应啦吼，你若真正有concern吼，你会使来询了审啦，伊会甲你做阵敲电话去甲伊讲，去看看到底是真诶假诶吼，咱来看决定安怎处理安尼。你莫甲伊敲。
Yeah, especially if they ask you to go to get a cash card and give you the number over the phone. Yeah, then you know that's not real.
然后特别是人家你偷一个 cash card，不要偷个 cash card 的后尾啦，什么的，这就最有问题啦。
Cindy, my wife Cindy, she had a friend that she got scammed that way. She lost money. And you would think, you know, looking at her, she's smart. She went to USC, but still she fell in it. So don't feel bad. It happens.
这个代志会发生啊，身边一个朋友嘛是安尼叫骗钱去吼，所以虽然讲迄个查某囝其实嘛真聪明啊，伊 USC 毕业的啦吼，但是诈骗集团嘛毋是戆啦吼，伊嘛会想办法要骗你的钱咯，所以你若真正有问题，你要是讲伊差不多逐礼拜拢会来教会啊，你若有什么代志来教会来甲讲，来请教者出嚟。
都会使，但是没有啥人讲等警察人拦下来，但是到有一寡第一步、第二步，因为阮知影讲你袂使后面出来，是要开门还是要电，你拢袂使。
伊拄则有讲啊。
对，敢袂使互伊讲较清楚的讲是。
The question is about traffic stop. Are there things to watch out for, things to do, things not to do? What are things that could cause? Because we also see a lot of TV and stuff how people getting in trouble with the police because in the traffic stop they come out or they do something.
Yeah, just listen to what the police officer says. If he tells you to come out, then come out. Otherwise, just stay in the car. Most times he's going to have you stay in the car, especially people like us. You know, it's usually the criminals or the people you're not too sure about that will ask to come out of the car. But don't just open the door and come on out. And just, again, just listen to directions. Yeah, don't, not until they ask for it, and then say, my registration, my insurance is in the glove compartment. Do you want me to get it? And he'll say yes. And say, okay, we'll get it. But again, for people like you, that's not going to be an issue. Yeah, if it's, I was going to say, if it's at nighttime, just turn on your dome light so you can see better.
那是去暗时吼，你着甲车内电甲拍开，互伊当看见你要创啥啦吼。你要创啥以前，拢爱先互警察知影，警察知影你要创啥了，伊讲 OK， 你才去做啦。你通伊无讲，你就家己去创吼。比如讲你要看，伊要看你的保险的，要看你的迄个行车记录的行车登记迄个卡的吼。你嘛爱伊讲好，你才去开，你毋通家己是讲警察需要我就先去开吼。警察来看你无，你咧做伊毋知影你要创啥，伊就是足危险的吼。OK。
伊若停的时阵，咱敢会当开？窗户莫开开。
好，
爱开，窗仔门爱开。
好，但是人唔通出去。
伊咧讲有条车，迄是歹人。
Okay. So here's the question. So you were saying that if we get stopped, we should roll down the window, right?
Mm-hmm.
But what if that's a bad guy? It's really not a good police?
Or you can wait, you know, it's okay to wait until he tells you, until you can see for sure, you feel comfortable. So you don't have to do it right away.
你也在等哦，你也在等一了，坐下，对，那就行。
I was wondering, at the police department, do they have stickers that I do not open door for strangers?
You can make up your own.
I think that's what the police department should encourage people not to open door for strangers. Right?
Yeah, for sure. Because the biggest thing that the last few years have been what they call knock burglars. The bad guys will come to your door, the front door, they'll knock on the front door, and they'll try to get a response. If nobody responds, they're assuming nobody's home, and they'll go to the back and break in that way. But if you ask, you talk to them through the door and say, no, I don't want anything, then they know someone's home, then they'll just go to the next house.
Follow up, because Asian community would very respect, the police or strangers. So we always open the door for, whoever knocks on the door. So we need to be educated.
Yeah.
Like, don't open door for
Don't
strangers.
open the door. Use the people, use ring, and use your best judgment. Don't automatically open the door.
有一个情形，就是迄个诈骗电话啦，我想这是一个提醒啦，就是讲伊卡来的时阵会叫你试几号 response，迄拢是袂当试啦，我想是毋是伊会当搁做一个建议安尼？
You know how to scam call? Sometimes they ask you to press a code or something, and usually the code
Yeah. That one I haven't heard about, but again, if someone's calling you on the phone asking for money, saying you owe money, I would just hang up and see if they call back. A lot of times they won't, because it's like an auto call. They have those machines, they'll just randomly call.
Yeah, random,
numbers,
yeah.
right? It could be from in Africa calling you. They call Nigerian scam.
Yeah.
From Nigeria.
I have a suggestion. Like my house, I'm using a caller ID,
Yes.
and then if the number I don't know, I ask them to leave the message. If they don't leave message, I don't call.
Yeah, same thing I do. Exactly what you do. I recognize it. Some phones will tell you if it's on your contact list, so-and-so is calling you. But if it says private number, or even now my cell phone, it says scam likely, so don't ever answer those. People that want to get a hold of you will leave a message. If not, those move on.
主要就是点落就建议，你若电话有迄个 caller ID 的吼，电话卡出来时，你就当看迄个电话号码，你就知讲，迄个是你熟悉的，无熟悉的，你就使决定你要接无接吼。啊，那你就减少真侪机会接到即款的诈骗集团的电话，因为迄个号码你就有吼，是安尼个样。
若有重要，伊就会捞话啦，安尼。
我们阿舅讲吼，对警察哦，敬而远之啦，吼。啊，毋过美国的警察敢有提供什么？就是讲家庭有什么状况的人是会当敲着电话的意思，是就是靠那种。
Most Asian families try to stay away from the police, right? But in this country, is there any special situations where you think the family having trouble or disputes that they should call for the police or they should call 911?
Any special situations?
Or any situation.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have to respond just to, crimes in progress or stuff. We respond to all kinds of things. And we're peacekeepers, and we're counselors, sometimes we're pastors. And we try to do our best. We do it by communication. So when we get there, when I said we try to resolve situations with the least amount of intervention, it's because we want you to come up with a solution. We want her to come up with a solution that you two can agree upon. Because I'm going to go home. You two are going to be here. So that's why. So anything, just call. And we'll get there. If we can do something, we will. If we can't, then we'll tell you if we can't.
即种代志拢会使甲敲电话啦吼，因警察扮演足侪角色啦吼，扮演做 counselor 的角色啊，扮演做即个 peacekeeper 的角色吼，因尽量无爱甲你讲你着安怎做，尽量爱你家己 work it out 出来吼。伊来遮了，伊就转去啊，剩下恁两个我来继续过去啊吼，所以上好是你家己有解决方法。
We be influenced by the fake TV. Sometimes they say, oh yeah, the police has the racist police, right?
Yeah.
So how you distinguish between this police is racism or not?
It's personal. It's how you want to deal with it. If it bothers you, you can always make a complaint. We're not perfect, and there are some police officers I don't want to work with. There's a small minority, but they're out there. How do you deal with the racist police officer? Identify them, make a complaint, because I don't want to work with them if they're racist. They need to be changed, corrected, or fired. There's no place for that in this day and age.
I just want to share two different occasions. I had a very good, positive, attitude or positive response from the LAPD. So one time I was home. At that time I was living on Rock Hill. By the time I got into the house and the phone started ringing, they said, Jimmy, we need to come back to the ER. Also, we need to come back to the OR right away. I said, what? I'm not on the call tonight. Probably at the time I respond, I don't even have a chance to find out what's going on. It happened to be a multiple car accident on the freeway. and they desperately need anesthesia to get involved, and they need to open 3 operating rooms at the same time. So by the time I got out of the house, on the street there was a police car sit there. That was a rush hour. I just got home by 5:30 or 6 o'clock. From Magura here to Woodland here. Next thing the police say, "Sir, how come you rush come out of the house?" And he just followed me. I said, "I have to respond to an emergency situation." He said, "Okay, just follow my car. I'll escort you." So actually it was very nice. He started siren. I said, "Just follow his car. Just keep following because it's a rush hour. It's hard to get on the freeway." I got into Magura to Woodland here in about 15 minutes. Jumped right into the ER. At the time, ER had 5 more police cars sit there. You know, it's a multiple car accident on the freeway 101. And that was very heartwarming in my own experience. This is one thing I told people, police, lots of police has a very sweet heart. They are sensitized to the need of urgency. This is my one personal encounter with the LAPD.
Yeah.
我在这里反映过，后边还可能不听的是。听啊，告诉要反映。刚刚到了，就是有医生，伊刚刚到家，我迄个时候甲伊的病医，伊102公路面发生几啊台车相撞，大车祸啦。所以迄个车祸的时候，患者拢送去伫我咧去时开着的病医啦。伊迄天拄下班，转去到厝就接了电话，叫伊要紧挂转去安尼。所以伊对厝里紧走出来的时阵，一个路口遐一个警察看到，问讲伊是安那讲总安尼对厝里走出来安尼，伊甲讲伊需要去处理一个紧急的这个情形。警察讲好，安尼你对我，伊就警灯就亮起来，警铃就响了，替伊归路出来，伊甲病人15分钟就到。所以刚才讲这警察，真正很了人心啦吼，真热心吼。刚刚有问题。
So, is it a policy that police have to like visit your home in twos, or one person can just show up?
It depends where you live, and it depends on the call itself. LAPD, for the most part, especially at nighttime, we always work in two-man cars, 2-people cars. Sheriffs are different, and they'll respond in teams of 3 normally. But if it's a situation where it's a minor situation, we might just have 1.
对啊，Anthony 有问题，像警察是不是大概一届出去就是按2个人嘛？这敢是肯定的嘛？迄个 Nelson 的朋友是讲看情形啦吼 ，LPD 大部分其实人家暗时排出去，这届拢是2个啦吼。那 Sheriff Department 吼，讲是3个啦。但是若是伊看这情形，这问题是严重的，就是这人就咱解决伊嘛，可能就人解决啦。
你进拄讲这我拄不时在想啊，就是讲，什么这2个有什么分别？一个是 police， 一个是迄个 sheriff。这个结构早拢分袂清楚。
It's just, it depends where you live. Smaller cities that don't want to have enough money for their own police department. Arcadia has its own police department, but if someday they didn't have money, it's cheaper to pay the sheriffs to take over. So in the city of LA, it's all LAPD, but it just really depends where you live. They're all police officers, and he may be on his way home, or maybe just a little bit out of his area. But if you see something, you can still take action.
What are the terms between police officer and sheriff?
Yeah, city police officers was usually city, and the sheriffs are usually county, like LA County sheriffs. You can go anywhere within the county. Usually, crimes that happen only within the city of Los Angeles, we are responsible for. But But if the crime occurred here in the city and the bad guy lives in like Torrance or Whittier, then we can go arrest them there.
所以 sheriff force 是管的吼，管是用 sheriff 啊，市就用 police 啊，啊有真侪细市城市，因家己无迄个财力去 support 一个警察局的时阵，因就甲管的这个 sheriff 他们搭配啊，可以来解决完。
Yeah. As far as police powers, same police powers.
但是那种方面来讲，是拢完全相反吼。上尾一个问题吼。
Just question. Excuse me. Question. You know, the highway patrol can give you the citation on the highway, right? And then also, is the sheriff or the police department can give you a citation, or
Yes.
has to wait the highway patrol?
No, no. Say I'm working and I see a violation on the freeway not in the city, then I would call the CHP. But if it was in the city, I could write it myself. Yeah.
所以高速公路面顶咱较常看到是迄个高速公路警察咧共开单嘛吼，但是 sheriff 也好 police 也好，因嘛会当开单，只要迄个伫因的管区的内底，比如讲伊是洛杉矶的警察局的，所以你若伫洛杉矶市内高速公路面顶，你有超速啊是啥物违规的代志，警察看到嘛会使甲你冻起，甲你开单吼，无一定高速公路警察尔吼。上尾一条。
我来礼拜六去摕着 citation 吼，譬如讲我去到西雅图，啊是我来去西雅图出发点啊。
If her question is if she gets a ticket in Seattle, does she need to appear in the traffic court out there in Seattle?
I don't know what their policy is. Best thing to do is just call or write. Yeah, I don't know what the policy is with Seattle. If it was here, and so you got a ticket here, you didn't appear here, and now you went to Seattle to live, vice versa. It depends. You didn't appear in court, so the judge would say, okay, pay it to appear.
Because police is around the city, so every time appeal to the court, suppose the police need to be there. So if I request Los Angeles, the police need to come over here, right?
Yeah, but if it's just a minor traffic violation, they're not going to fly all the way here, right?
So then what I don't want to go there. If you
No.
want to come here, then just
Right.
take or me.
I say be careful if you go to Seattle. But no, call and say, what should I do?
When you're talking about call 911, sometimes they always ask you,
Yeah.
is anybody injured?
Yes, that's the first.
If you're not injured, they come very late. So you
Yeah.
better say, oh, I had something.
I know.
Right?
It happens because people say, oh, I think he had a gun. You get there, there's no.
Right away. Good point.
Very dangerous situation, right?
Mhm. Yeah, unfortunately, we're not there everywhere all the time. And that's why I'm telling you to be aware of your surroundings and try to take care of yourself as best as possible, because you're going to be the first person to help yourself. You can't rely on us 100%.
I usually lock the door, show the ID.
ID.
But if you open the door, it's the big guy they come in right away, right?
Right.
So if it's not open, you cannot see the.
Do you have a peephole? Do you have like,
The whole can see the whole ID.
just tell them to step back, or a lot of them, if you slide